Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So today we're working on the skid steer. Our goal is to put that engine back together. We're gonna drop off the cylinder head to the machine shop, get that all cleaned up, hone out the cylinders, make this thing better than OEM and put it together and hopefully it's gonna run. But before we do that, we want to make a small announcement. We actually have a merch shop now, nikobrothers.com. Make sure you check that out, get some merch, really appreciate the support. If you guys get some stuff out there, it'd be fantastic. Really love you guys being engaged, helping us out, and if you get some merch, I've seen some comments about it, but we finally did it, so make sure to check that out in the video. But let's go see our parts, see what we got, and build this engine. We're also doing a giveaway, so make sure you leave a comment below, make sure you subscribe, and we'll give you something from our merch shop. Maybe a sweater, a t-shirt, or a hat, or something like that. Let us know what you like. But like I said, all you gotta do to enter is leave a comment below, be subscribed, and you're entered to win.
Okay, so we got to the machine shop. They said they can check it out. Okay, so here we have it. We have the piston right here, and what we're gonna do is actually wash them and try to see if we get all that little rust corrosion off. So I did one really quick to see how it turned out, and I'd say it turned out pretty nice compared to this one. That's how it was before. And then for fun, I just did the other cylinder that had the 2,500 hours. As you can see, this one I think had no hours on it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how I cleaned them. Let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so we cleaned the top of the cylinders. Now we're ready to just hone them a little bit so the new piston rings are gonna seat in nicely. So this should be nice and easy. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so we got all honed out. We've put the engine to the side. Be easier to put the pistons in. Let's check out the pistons. We got the new rings installed. We got the little compressor. So we're ready to put these back in how they came out. So there is an arrow on them, so we have to put them in exactly the same way. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got them all torqued down. It's looking good. It's spinning through nice and smooth. Next thing is actually, before we put it down, let's just put this oil pan back on. And we got some gasket maker. And I cleaned the surface, so we're ready to get it installed. Okay, so here we have it. We got the cylinder head, the block flipped back upright. We're ready to put the head gasket on and the cylinder head and the head bolts. So let's get to it. Okay, so next step, we got the cylinder head all torqued down, is get the push rods in, the little cam shaft, or the cam, or the retaining rods, or whatever it's called, get that all installed. Okay guys, so we got the injectors in, the fuel lines to it, everything's coming along nicely. The intake, the exhaust is all hooked up nicely. But before we put the valve cover on, we did have the head resurfaced and they cleaned up the valves. And what we'll do is check the valve lash on each valve, make sure the tolerances are in spec, because they did mess with the valves. They got new seals and everything in there. So as you guys can see, I already did this one. It slides in good, very nicely. This one too, not too bad, but they all need to be adjusted. That's way too stiff, so let's adjust all these valves. Okay, so here we have it. We got it all putting together. It's looking good. We are ready to work on the rear of this thing. So we gotta go and take apart from the other one. We gotta take this guy off, the hydraulic pump. So let's keep working. Okay, just like that, we got the hydraulic pump on. We torqued it down. We got the little bracket for the exhaust EGR thingy. And the next thing is actually we could just do the wire harness too. So let's plug up the wire harness. All right, here we have it, just like that. The engine's all put together. We got the hydraulic pump on there. We got all the wire harness, everything came out really nice. It went back together really nice and easy. And really quick, I'll tell you guys how much we spent. We probably spent $600 at the dealer for all the little parts to rebuild it, for the head cylinder gasket, and then the O-rings, and then we spent about $250 at the machine shop for the head. They did a great job. So just like that, $800 for the other motor, $600, that's already $1,400?
Yeah.
That's $1,400 plus another $250. So about for $1,500 or $1,600, we got the motor. So I think that's a really good deal. It came out pretty good. So we're ready to get this thing dropped back into the skid steer.
Let's go ahead and find our winner for the giveaway. Like I said, all you have to do is leave a comment below. So let's find the comment from last video. Congratulations. Make sure you send us your address and we'll get you a little goodie bag over. Maybe a shirt, a little hat or something like that. But thanks guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.